Hi there, this is Gary Ryan Blair, and you're about to learn a simple and proven yet vastly underutilized strategy for making your dreams come true. And I'm talking about sooner rather than later. So let's begin by asking you a question. Have you ever gone on a trip solely because you wanted to get on an airplane? Well, probably not. So you got on the airplane because you wanted to get to a specific destination, not because you wanted to spend 5 hours on a plane. Well, your life is like an airplane. Each day you make choices and you take actions to bring you closer to your preferred destination. Therefore, the first thing that you need to do when you awake each morning is to visualize your final destination. That's right. Paint the picture of your mind, the ideal outcome that you desire for the day. And you need to be very precise because every detail counts. See, the clearer the picture, the more power, the more focus and energy that you're going to generate. And like a bride and groom who choose a destination wedding that includes crystal blue waters, white sand beaches, and breathtaking views, you get to wake up each morning and visualize the life of your dreams and take the actions which will lead you to your ideal destination. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to make this part of your daily ritual, and your life will quickly become a series of great adventures and dreams realized. So make it the very next thing you do.